we go again. We have another special Amazon unboxing. Oh boy. Here we go. Hopefully everyone had a good day. Everybody is safe. And you guys can check them out. My affiliate link will be down below. All you gotta do is click on it, add it to your cart, and check out. And here we go. This is gonna be Carplay. Streamline your drive. Wireless CarPlay. Alright. Plug and play. Fast connection. OTA upgrade. Software adaptation. Touch control of the original car. Low power IC chip. Alright. TedFlop. Okay, cool. Alright. Now we got this thing here. So this will be good for older cars. And I guess newer cars too. So we shall see what it does. Here we go. Open. Here. Got it. USB. Very nice, super lightweight. Very nice. There's the USB. Peel that off. A little smudgy. There we go. Let me pop this out. USB. Connect to your phone. So it's pretty simple. Like that. Connect. Boom, boom, boom. Plug it into your phone. What is this? A sticky note? Oh, you can have this in your car. Sticky. Okay. Alright, TedFlop. How to find out if your car has Apple CarPlay. Start the car, wait for the car head unit. Connect the USB CarPlay dongle to vehicle's USB port. Turn on the Wi-Fi of your iPhone. Smart dongle. So that all does that. Okay, we're about to try it out. Put this away. And make sure you hit the like and subscribe button. And you never know when I might do some giveaways. So make sure you hit the notification bell if I still have it. I'm not sure if I do. Carplay. Okay. Be back.